So this is example 3 for the binomial probability chapter. A survey was conducted. We found that 50% of adults report engaging in physical activity. If we selected 8 adults at random, I should highlight the 50 as well, find the probability that 3 or fewer will have engaged in physical activity. And I specify use the binomial probability table because once you start with trials or anything really greater than 5, it's kind of computationally intensive, so the table is recommended. So my trials here are the 8 adults, and they are independent, which is another condition for the binomial probability. We also need to have a binomial outcome. So either they engaged in physical activity or they didn't. And then the probability is going to stay the same. That is 0.50. Conveniently, this is also going to be 0.50. But again, we might not need the Q, the probability of failure, since we are doing the probability table. For X, that's the number of successes. So that's 3 or fewer. That's going to include 0, 1, 2, and 3. From here, we're going to go to the table. So this is our binomial probability table. We have the probability here. It's going to be 0.5. We have the number of trials. Let's go way down to 10. Sorry, not 10, 8. So here it is. It's actually the last trial. We said fewer than 3, so it's actually including 3, 0, 2, 3. And here are our probabilities. This is what we need for our problem. Let's go back to our problem. Okay, so we want the probability that X is less than 3, or less or equal to 3. So that is Px equals 0 plus Px equals 1, Px equals 2, Px equals 3. So the probability for Px equals 0 is 0.004. This probability is going to be 0.031, 0.109, and 0.219. And all we have to do now is just add them. The answer to that is 363. That's it.